Good day, everyone. Welcome to my blog. Today, we're talking about something super important, the plastic pollution. Have you ever thought where all our plastic goes? It's a big problem to our earth and animals. Have you ever wondered our nature has been scary? There were so many calamities and disasters that killed animals and humans around the world. The problem of plastic garbage is not getting any better. In fact, millions of plastics are being disposed of every single day. However, manufacturers keep producing it and people are using it in daily life. It is as if we cannot live without using plastic in our daily life. Many garbage, especially plastics, take up to 10 years to decompose, end up being blue or being thrown in the ocean, river, and everywhere, affecting animals and their habitat. All of this happen because of us humans. In exchange for money, people make plastics their way of living, and they are responsible for the consequences it can make. Because one way or the other, nobody can stop natural disasters. I have realized that we have to be more mindful about our plastic use. Let's reuse, reduce, and recycle it. Let's protect our beautiful earth together. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.